What's the meaning of bathhouse? Bathhouse. Bathhouse.
Bathhouse. Bathhouse. A bathhouse is a public facility designed for people to bathe, relax, and socialize. The practice of visiting a bathhouse dates back thousands of years to ancient civilizations such as the Greeks, Romans, and Turks. Bathhouses typically contain a variety of pools, saunas, steam rooms, and other facilities for cleansing and relaxation. Some bathhouses also offer additional services such as massages and beauty treatments. In many cultures, bathhouses serve as a communal gathering place where people can connect with each other and unwind after a long day. Overall, a bathhouse provides a unique and luxurious experience that is beneficial for both physical and mental health.